This author, by creating such videos, gets millions of views and earns thousands of dollars on such content. In this video, I will explain in detail how to create content in a new format using artificial intelligence, which is gaining millions of views. We'll go through every step to make sure you have a viral video ready to post on TikTok. Okay, let's start with the first step, which is to create a tooltip for generating images. To do this, go to ChatGPT. We need to request from artificial intelligence a list of 15 countries and their national animals. Next, click here and you will see that artificial intelligence has provided a list of countries with their animals. Then paste this data into the query, and you already have ready-made suggestions for creating images. Now we need to move on to creating the image. To do this, I will use Leonardo AI. Go to the image creation section, and on this page make sure that the value Leonardo Phoenix is selected in the presets. Then open the settings and set the maximum image generation quality. Scroll down to find the resizing option and select the 9:16 aspect ratio. The settings are complete. Now we return to ChatGPT. Copy your first invitation for the image, paste it into the Leonardo generation field and click Generate. Artificial intelligence will start working on creating the image. I'll come back when the first image is ready. Look at this, guys. The first image looks incredible, and these visual effects will make your video truly unique. All that remains is to repeat this process for the rest of the prompts. When all the images are ready, we move on to the next stage. Now we need to animate the images. To do this, I will use Immersion AI. First upload your image, then wait a bit while it animates. After that, you can customize the animation to your liking. Then download the animated image. Repeat this process for all images. Now it's time for the final stage, video editing. I will use CapCut for this task, as it is a convenient tool for working with such content. Let's start by importing all the resources that we have prepared so far. This includes audio, animated images, and any other elements that you have collected. Make sure that all necessary files are uploaded to the project. After all the materials are imported, the first step is to add an audio track. Go to the Audio tab, select the appropriate music that matches the theme of your video, and drag it to the timeline. Position the track so that it plays throughout the entire video, ensuring sound integrity. Next, proceed to adding images. Drag them one by one to the timeline in the order in which they were created. Arrange the images so that the total duration of the video is exactly 1 minute. This will create a structured narrative and ensure a smooth transition between shots. Now it's time to add text elements. Go to the text section in the upper left corner of the interface, select the default text and place it in the center of the screen. In the text field, specify the name of the country corresponding to the specific image. After that, customize the text by selecting the appropriate design template and add animation via the Animation tab. This will enliven the text and make it more attractive. To make the text appear on each image, copy it and paste it into the timeline for all images. Don't forget about the introductory text. Copy the text element that you have already used and paste it at the very beginning of the video. Write an introductory phrase here, for example, countries as final bosses. This text will allow the viewer to immediately understand what the video is about. After that, now add visual effects. Go to the Effects tab in the upper left corner and select an effect that adds a unique atmosphere to your video. Drag it to the timeline and apply it to all the images. This will create a harmonious and finished look. At the last stage, do the color correction. Go to Settings in the upper right corner and add an adjustment layer to the timeline. Stretch it so that it covers the entire video and increase the saturation to 10. This will make the colors brighter, richer, and more expressive, which will give the video a final accent. Your video is completely ready. You can now export videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so that you don't miss the new training programs. Join me in analyzing and repeating all the steps, developing and achieving success together. Let's grow, develop, and achieve success.